Welcome to Wanies Academy. We are in again for an interesting moment as we consider a very important topic. Today, we are looking at factors affecting gas pressure, factors that are affecting gas pressure. So now, there are various factors, but the first thing we need to understand is what do we understand as the word gas pressure? What is gas pressure? You should be able to define gas pressure before you talk about the concept affecting gas pressure. So now, one of our first lesson objective is to define gas pressure. Then to explain how gas particles create pressure. Then we're also going to look at describing the factors that affect gas pressure, then predict how changes in temperature, in volume, and the amount of gas affect pressure. Those are the factors. Then we apply the kinetic theory to explain changes in gas pressure. So these are the things we're going to look at briefly in our topic today. So the first thing is what? Factors. The main topic is factors affecting gas pressure. Affecting gas pressure. The factors affecting gas pressure. That is the main topic. Factors affecting gas pressure. So now let's go to the main topic, the body of the topic. Now, what is gas pressure? Gas pressure is a force exerted by gas particles per unit area when they collide with the wall of their container. Gas pressure is a force exerted by gas particles. We all know that gases are made up of particles. All the three states of matter are made up of particles, including the gaseous state. Now, this gas or this state, this particular, gas is stored in a container. For example, we have like for home use, we have the gas cylinder. Now, when this gas is stored in the cylinder, the compartment, what happens is this: the particles of gas, which is in a constant motion within the container, collides with the wall of the container. And so, in the course of collision, pressure is created. Pressure is created. So now, how do we evaluate this pressure created? It is defined as the force exerted by the gas per the unit area. And so the pressure is mathematically expressed as force divided by the area. Mathematically expressed, pressure is mathematically expressed as P, pressure, is equal to the force exerted by these particles divided by the area. And so that gives us what? The mathematical expression for pressure. So now, the unit of measurement, the unit of measuring pressure is Pascal. PA, Pascal. Pascal is the unit of measuring pressure, which is a Pascal and the PA. Now, that's the unit of pressure. So gas particles are constantly moving in random direction. Now, every time they hit the wall of a container, they exert a tiny pressure. So now, millions of these collisions every second we create what? The pressure of the gas. It creates pressure of the gas. Now, let's now look at the kinetic theory of matter to explain this concept. Now, according to the kinetic particle theory, now it states that gas from the deduction from this particular, from this kinetic theory of gases, gas particles move continuously and randomly. Now, that is according to the kinetic particle theory. Now, there are also large spaces between particles. Yes, because when you look at the the composition of particles in the gaseous state, you discover that there are spaces around gases. There are spaces around gases. Unlike solid, that there is no space. The particles are closely packed together. But for the case of a gas, the particles are not closely packed together. And so there are spaces between the particles of gases. Particles collide with each other and with the container's wall. Particles collide with each other and with the container's wall. Now, collisions are perfectly elastic. That means no kinetic energy is lost. No kinetic energy is lost. Now, the average speed of particles increases when the temperature increases. The average speed of particles increases when the temperature increases. Now, gas pressure depends on the following factors. So you must take note of these factors. Now, the factors are, number one is how often particles collide with the container, how hard the particles hit the wall of the container. Now, these are the two factors in which, these are the two factors in which the gas pressure depends on. Now, let's now look at, these are the informed factors. Informed factors. Now, let's now look at the factors that affect gas pressure. What are the factors that affect gas pressure? Number one, there are four main factors. Four main factors. Number one, the temperature, the volume, the amount of gas, and the size of the container. One is the temperature. Two is the volume of the gas. Three is the amount of gas, that is the numbers of particles. And four is the size of the container. These are the factors. And so we are going to elaborate more on these factors in our next class. And so, thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube, Wanies Academy. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.